In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix CSGO VAC Authentication Error. First thing you want to do is you will go to Steam and find your game CSGO. So here, if you go to library, and here you will find your game. So I will do this as an example for Brawlhalla. You can do the same thing here. So you would right click on CSGO and then go to properties, and then here you will go to installed files and verify integrity of game files. This might take a few minutes, but wait for it until it's done. So once this is done, you can close this down, and now you want to go here. So go down and click manage downloads and click on this icon, and then here you go to downloads. Here go and find clear download cache and clear the cache. So clearing the cache will help a lot in fixing most of these issues. So once you have this one done, now you want to open CMD, right click run as administrator, and here what you want to do is restart the netch. So type in netch int ip reset and press enter, and then type in netch winsock reset and press enter. After that, you can close this down. Now lastly, if you're still experiencing issues, then I recommend you to basically uninstall the Counter-Strike completely and reinstall it. So if you go here to library and you find your game, you can uninstall it just by right clicking and going here to manage, then uninstall. And after that, you want to reinstall the game, and hopefully this fixes your issue.